those students who want to start their internship journey or looking for any new internships. So today I'll take you to a step-by-step guide how can one start their internship journey through internshala.com. So let's get started.
So hello friends, as I told you in the intro of this video, I'll be taking you to a step-by-step guide how one can use Internshala and get a chance to do an internship with the various companies out there. And also you can find many of the work from home opportunities there and also fresher jobs who are graduated just now recently. So what is Internshala? So Internshala is a website which offers internships, fresher jobs and work from home opportunities to all those students and graduates out there. In fact, I also got my first internships through Internshala itself. So the first thing what you have to do is here you have to sign up with your Google, or you can also sign up with your email ID. But the thing that you have to consider here is when you are logging in or you are registering yourself, make sure that you register here as a student, not as an employer. So make sure you register as a student here. So once you sign up, we'll move on to the next step. Hello friends. So friends, once you register yourself to Internshala, the website will look similar just like this. So here there are many things on the screen right now. So I'll take you to each and everything one by one. So you can see here above there are tabs here, that is internships, online trainings, fresher jobs. This is a bookmark, and these are the messages, and this is your profile. So under this profile section, you get your name here, your email ID, my applications, edit resume, edit preferences, help center, more. So this my application thing is that, so the internships which you will be applying, you can keep a record of this, your applications here. So it will give you a list of all the internships that you have applied for. And this is the edit your resume section. So this is the section where you make your resume. So friends, make sure that you make your resume very nicely. You add your education, you add your voluntary experience. So, and many other things like the courses which you have completed in the past, and also make sure that you highlight your skills out there, things where you are expert, and the languages which you know, which you can speak very fluently. So make sure that you add all these things, because some key points that will make your resume stand out. Now moving on to the next thing, these are some other things, that is edit your preferences, help center, and more. So this edit preferences, I'll come back to this later. On this more section, you can manage your account, that is change your email ID, change your email address, and delete my account and other things. Now we'll focus on the main thing, that is the internships. So now at this present moment, there are many internships you can see on the screen right now. So based on your interest, you can categorize your internships, like where you want to work. Now this tab up here where it is showing internships, once you click on this, it will show you many internships based on your location, based on your profile, and based on your category. Now this on the location here, now work from home is very popular. So there are many internships which are providing work from home opportunities to everyone, or to all the students and graduates out there now. And also based on your profile, that the internships which you are looking for, if you're willing to go in the technical field, if you're willing to go in the marketing or finance internships, and many other things. Or if you want to go into the creative field, that is video editing, graphic designing, there are also internships out there. You can also choose your internships based on the category, that is engineering, MBA, part-time jobs, and many other things. Now you can also see here that there's one section here that is internships with job offer. So this is a very different thing. That is, matlab, once you are completed with the internships, the company will also provide you a job offer. And there's the other section also, that is internships for women. There are some companies out there, for example, there are some NGOs or some other self-help groups, and some other companies also, who want only as a girls or women to work as an intern with them. So it's a good opportunities to all those girls out there who can also apply to these internships, where they hire on particularly only girls. Now moving on to the next section. Now you can see here there are many internships out there. Now I'll explain you what does these each and everything indicate. Now we have a marketing internship here, and there are some details present here. When you look at this, that is start date is immediately. This means that they want you to join immediately once you get selected, and the duration of the internship is 6 months. So this means that you have to this internship duration is 6 months. That is, you have to intern with them for 6 months, and the stipend will be around 5,000 to 10,000 per month. So this will be decided once you the stipend will be once you get qualified through the interview round. So the stipend will be decided accordingly. So, but the stipend will be in range between these two, that is 5,000 to 10,000 per month. Now, friends, as I told you that these are all the internships out there on a screen, and what are the things that I explained about the start date immediately. This means that you have to start immediately after once you get selected, and the duration of the internship, the stipend you'll be receiving for this internship apply by means this is the last date up to which you can apply to this internship. Now there's a thing here that is called view details. Once you click on this view details, it will give you details of all these internships out there, which means that look at this. Here it will give you the selected interns day-to-day responsibilities, that is engage in recruitment, source profiles from portals or LinkedIn, engage in other HR works. Now this means that this is the responsibilities of the intern that the particular he or she should be doing on a daily basis once they get selected. No need to worry, friends, that will I be able to do this. All the companies out there are very supportive. They will train you, they'll teach you everything in the initial days very nicely until you get familiar with the things out there. And what you will be getting is, this is the perks in this, and what are the benefits that you'll be getting through the internship. That is the certificate, and it will be 5 days work, 5 days a week. So you have to work only 5 days a week for the internships. So this is of just one internship. All the perks will be vary from internships, vary from the internships to internships. And these are the 42 applications out there. So there are 42 applications right now. So you can also see here the number of applications for this internships. So where there are less applications, there are also higher chances of you for being selected. So after this, you look at all these details, and you feel that I am good for this internships, and and you feel that I should be doing this internships. You have to just click on apply now. You have to fill all the details. There are some questions out there that why we should hire you, and you have to upload your resume out there, and that's it. You're good to go. Now I'm sure I have cleared all the things out there, like how can one apply to the internships, and what are the details out there, what are the selected interns day-to-day responsibilities and everything. Now, as I told you, I was telling you about the filters out here. Before that, I had left off here one thing, that is edit preferences. Now, friends, as there were many internships out there, that is marketing, MBA, and finance, graphic designing. But what if you want internships only about your interest? That is, if you are interested in marketing. So this is the section where you fill up your preference, and only these type of internships will be the internship will be showing it to you. So now we'll see a one by one. Now just assume that now it is telling you select your first preference, second preference, and third preference. So which means that according to your preference, just select the internships which you want to do. Now here I'll choose as a architecture, and also want to do teaching, and I'll also choose a operations internship. Now, based on my these are my 3 interests. You can also choose according to your interest. If some people are who only want to do into video editing, graphic designing, and many other things. So based on your interest, you can also do. So what you're currently looking for is, are you looking for internships or are you looking for fresher jobs? So there are also jobs out there. So if you look, so you can either choose any one of them according to your wish or according to your requirement. Now, which of the following internships are you looking for? So are you looking for a in-office internship? Means you have to go to the office and work, or this is a work from home opportunity. As I told you, you can also choose this field, this section, that is, you have to just click on this work from home. Now once you click on save here, your preferences will get saved here. Now in this filters, you have an option here that is show internship as per my preferences. Now you can see here that are various categories of internships coming here: web development, campus ambassador, civic leadership, content writing, marketing, graphic designing, software testing, and many other things. Now once you click on this show internships as per my preferences, look here guys, it is showing us the internships according to our preferences. That is, I got here internship regarding only to teaching, operations, general management, relationship management. So these are all operations and teaching related. Now look here, physics mentoring, online teaching, and many other things. So it is just a filter out there which will make your work very easy. Now also friends, we can see here that the stipend is varying, that is 8,000, 2,000 to 4,000. You can set your minimum size stipend that you want. If you feel that I should at least get 4,000 to 6,000 stipend per month, you can just drag here, and according to that, it will show you. Look at this. So it will automatically filter out all those options out there which have at least a minimum stipend of 4,000 per month. Now, also, if you are a girl or a woman who is looking out for internship, you can just click on this internship for women. So based on this, these are some companies who are hiring only for women or girl candidates out there. Yes. So friends, I think I've covered most of the thing that one can get started to use your internship, and how can one make their resume and get started and to apply the internship. Now, once you apply to the internships and once you get selected, they will the companies will revert back to you saying that uh, we have gone through your profile and we would love to continue to the next round. So here, this messages section, the company which sends you a message, or which wants to take you to the second round, so you will receive all the messages in this section, as you can see here. In this section, you will receive all the messages and all the notifications to the internships that you have applied.
So friends, I have covered most of the topics about internchala.com and internships out there. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.